Tucked quietly along Lake Geneva, there's a place in Switzerland that most travelers never hear about. This is Swiss Vapeur Park, a miniature railway park built with incredible detail and patience. Trains glide through scaled-down villages, bridges, tunnels, and landscapes inspired by real Swiss regions. For kids, it feels like a moving storybook. For adults, it's unexpectedly calming. There's no rush here. No loud rides. Just slow trains, fresh air, and time moving at a gentler pace. If you're traveling Switzerland with kids, or simply looking for a quiet, thoughtful stop away from crowded attractions, this place is worth remembering. Sometimes, the best travel memories come from the smallest journeys.